Today we are going to be testing out the Oklahoma Joe's Ryder DLX 900 and the Oklahoma Joe's Marshall Center Box. We're going to see who smokes these Italian sausages better. So we're going to fire up our grills to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to go for about an hour and 15 minutes till we hit 155, 160 degrees. We're going to be using the ice bath method, so we throw them in the ice bath to shock them, stop the cooking process, help with the casings contract to the meat. We're going to throw them back on, same temperature, and then we're going to see which one snaps better. These both came out beautiful, but let's listen and see what we got. So overall, these two smokers gave off some beautiful smoke flavor. I have to give the edge to the Marshall. Definitely a bit more prominent smoke flavor. I've smoked some great sausages on the pellet grills and they taste amazing. So don't take anything away from the Ryder here. So try it out. Let us know in the comments what you like smoking on pellet grills or good old-fashioned charcoal and wood.